ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। There were two questions. One question is on page 285. टिप्पणी नंबर 13. दृष्टांत अभावम. So, you see the second line of the टिप्पणी. न चैवं ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्तौ दृष्टांता सिद्धिः. So, you have to read it this way. ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्तौ न दृष्टांत असिद्धिः means दृष्टांत is there. That through Brahma Jnanam, Ajnan Nivritti takes place. Where is the Drishtanta? Agamat tat siddhau. Through Agama, that Siddhi is there. So Drishtanta Asiddhi is not there. This is what that point is. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Next is on the next page, 286. Uktaritya. Uktaritya means by the method shown above. This is there in the Tika, first line. Uktaritya pratyaya santatim upetya dushayati. Uktaritya means it is samastapada. Uktariti is the pratipadika. Its tritiya will be uktaritya. Riti will be strilinga shabda. So uktaritya. Ukta means what is already said. Riti means the method here. So by the method which is already said, pratyaya santatim upetya, taking pratyaya santati now, dushayati, Siddhanti is showing dosha. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. What is uktariti pada? Uktaritya means what? By the above method. Now let us continue on page 291. Tika. आरब्ध कर्मणा देह स्थितिम उक्त्वा एव उक्त्वा इतरेषां ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वम उपसंहरति. आरब्ध कर्मणा देह स्थितिम means prarabdha karma will sustain this deha, and in that sukha dukha all anubhava will come. Sukha anubhava nobody will question. Dukha anubhava all questions. Why Bhagavan this world is there? Why so much sorrow, etc., etc. Not jnani, other people in their prarabdha. Itaresham karmanam jnana nivartyatvam upasamharati. The sanchita karma, they are eliminated by jnanam. And agami karma, they are like roasted seeds. So that is not separately discussed here, but you should understand. So they will not germinate, means they will not produce new karma phala. Even if karma is happening, that karma is burnt karma. So it can't give rise to phalam. भाष्य ज्ञानोत्पत्तेः प्राग ऊर्ध्वं तत्काल जन्मांतर संचितानां च कर्मणाम् अप्रवृत्त फलानां विनाशः सिद्धो भवति फल प्राप्ति विघ्न निषेध श्रुतेरेव ज्ञान उत्पत्तेः पूर्वम प्राक बिफोर ज्ञानम टेक्स प्लेस ऊर्ध्वम आफ्टर ज्ञानम तत्काल जन्मांतर संचितानाम everything he puts in sanchita only jnana utpattehe purvam if you say sanchita jnana utpattehe urdhvam will be agami he says all of them tatkala janmantara sanchitanam cha karmanam apravritta phalanam all the karmas which have not started giving results pravrittam phalam yesham कर्मणाम ते कर्माः ते कर्माणि प्रवृत्त फलानि न प्रवृत्त फलानि इति अप्रवृत्त फलानि तेषाम् अप्रवृत्त फलानां विनाशः सिद्धो भवति how their vinasha is siddha how do you take it for granted phala prapti vighna nishedha shrutehe eva the phala prapti vighna is negate. There is no other phalam of those karmas anymore. So by this shruti, see tippani, third number tippani, tasya hana devasya na bhutya ishata iti. तस्य हन देवाश ना भूत्या ईशत इति श्रुतेः 1:4-10 टीका तस्य हन देवाश्च न इति विदुषो विद्याफल प्राप्तौ विघ्न निषेध श्रुति अनुपपत्या यथोक्तो अर्थो भाति इत्यर्थः तस्य न देवाश्च न इति by this श्रुति विदुषो विद्याफल प्राप्तौ विघ्न निषेध पर एक ज्ञानी in attaining vidya phalam means jnanam is there then jnana phalam also will come there is no vighna nisheda shruti anupapatya yathokto artho bhati ityarthah so if you don't accept it then yathokto artho bhati in other words for a jnani in jnana phala prapti there is no vighna jnanam will certainly come without any doubt न केवलम श्रुतार्थापत्या यथोक्तार्थ सिद्धि किंतु श्रुति स्मृतिभ्याम अपि इत्याह नॉट ओनली बाय श्रुतार्थापत्ति यथोक्तार्थ सिद्धि किंतु श्रुति स्मृतिभ्याम ऑल्सो यथोक्तार्थ सिद्धि मीन्स that for jnani in vidya phalam there is no obstacle not only that through shruti smriti also this is siddham kshiyante chasya karmani tasmin drashte paravare so when jnanam is there this will also happen all the karmas are karma kshaya will take place jnanam has happened and jnana phalam is vidyate hridaya granthi छिद्यन्ते सर्व संशयाः क्षीयन्ते चास्य कर्माणि these three are ज्ञान फलम विद्या फलम vidya is there tasmin paravare drishte when this happens this also will happen There is no vigna in between. तस्य तावदेव चिरम यावन न विमोक्षे अथ संपत्स्ये. So it is given in Uttama Purusha. You have to convert it into Prathama Purusha. For that Jnani Tavadeva Chiram Yavanna Vimokshe means Yavanna Vimokshate. Atha Sampatsye means Atha Sampatsyate. In this way you will have to convert. The Chandasa Prayoga. So only this much he has to wait until Prarabdha Karma is over. Then he will attain Videha Mukti. That Uddharana tells Prarabdha Karma is not destroyed. Other karmas are destroyed. Sarve papmanaha praduyante. Chandogya, 5th chapter, 524 2. 524 2, I think. All his papas are destroyed. Some Uddharan must have come that this is why you should not stick to Upasana, you should go for Jnana. Like that it can be there. There is a Varnanam of Jnani in couple of places in earlier part. Pratipadanam is of Upasana karma mainly. There is one Drishtanta that if you feed Brahmajnani, Raikva Drishtanta is also there. If you feed a Brahmajnani, you have fed the whole world. So, if somebody is not capable of feeding a lot of people, they can feed only one and it is enough. That is how it is explained there. Tam viditva na lipyate karmana papakena. Knowing that Brahma, papakena karmana na lipyate. He is not affected by papa karma. Etamu hai ha eva ete na tarataha. Ete punya pape na tarataha na sprushataha. This punya papa, they do not touch this jnani. 5 number tippani. Nainam krita krite tapataha. Kritancha kritancha iti krita krite. Enam na tapataha. They don't afflict this jnani. Etam hava na tapati. This punya papa, etam jnaninam na tapati. Na bibheti kutaschana. So this etagam havava na tapati kimaham sadhuna karavam, that is that quotation, Taittiriya. Next one is also Taittiriya. Na bibheti kutaschana ityadi shrutibhyascha. Both of them are in Brahmananda Valli 2.9. Navama Anuvaka. Ityadi shrutibhyascha. Jnanagnihi sarva karmani bhasmasat kurute ityadi smritibhyascha. Not only Shruti, Smriti is also there. In Gita it is said, Jnanagni will burn all karmas. Sarva karmani bhasmasat kurute. In other words, between Jnanam and Jnana Phalam, there is no vigna. जीवन मुक्तिं साधयता ज्ञान फले प्रतिबंध अभाव उक्त इदानीं पूर्वोक्तं शंका बीजम अनुवदति. So for a jnani, the portion is covered. That person who is seeking jivan mukti means he has already gained knowledge and now he is liberated. For his jnana phalam, there is no pratibandha. Pratibandha abhava is there. Jivan muktim sadhayata siddhantina. Any sadhaka for whom jivan mukti we agree on, in his or her jnana phalam pratibandha abhava is there. That is said. Idanim purvoktam shanka bijam. One doubt was raised earlier. What was that? Page 278. Means you don't have to go there. Just listen. What was said that a martya has three rina. Rishi rina, deva rina, pitra rina. This you remember now. So you don't have to flip pages. In Tippani 14 number it is given. Vidusho vidya phala praptau devaha vignam kurvanti iti ya shanka tasya bijam martyanam devan prati rinitva akhyam. Martya, they are rini towards devata, rishi, etc. Now that topic is taken up. Yattu runaihi pratibadhyate iti. But the rina will obstruct him, his journey. Iti. Tika. Rinitvam hi vidusho avidusho va iti vikalpya adyam dushayan dvitiyam angikaroti. Rinitva kiska? Means whose rinitva? Vidushaha, avidushaha, for jnani or ajnani. So two vikalpas are there. First one is vidushaha for jnani. Adyam dushayan. No. Dushayan means we don't agree that jnani's rina will create vigna. For jnani now there is nothing remaining. And dvitiyam for ajnani angi karoti. Yes, he has to fulfill rina. Tanna. Avidya vishayatvat. Avidya vishayatvat means avidya rinasya avidyavad vishayatvat. Rina is within avidya. Within avidya, everything is there. So all problems are there because of avidya actually. Avidya vishayo yasya rinasya. Avidyavad vishayatvat. Avidyavan. In where there is a part of this shloka is sarvam dukkham avivekinam. For aviveki, sarvam dukkham. Everything is a problem. Why? Because that person doesn't know how to do viveka. And for viveki, there is no problem. I know Prakriti Purusha Vibhag if you do according to Sankhya or Yoga, and according to Vedanta, Atma Anatma Vibhaga you do. And say this is Prakritehe Kriyamanani Gunaihi Karmani Sarvashaha Ahankara Vimudhatma Kartaham iti manyate. Kartaham or Bhoktaham, that comes to you. So you can do that Viveka. So Viveki doesn't have problem. So everything is for avidyavan. Tanna ranitvasya iti sheshaha. Tadeva sputayati avidya vishayatvat. Avidyavan hi rini. Avidyavan hi rini. Avidyavan hirani. Avidusho asti kartratvadi iti atra manamaha. तस्य कर्तृत्वादि उपपत्ते है. फर्स्ट इन भाष्य तस्य अविद्यावतः कर्तृत्वादि उपपत्ते है. For Ajnani, Kartritva is there, Bhoktritva is there. The one who has Kartritva, he will have Rina also. Person who has Kartritva, Bhoktritva, that person cannot say these statements of Vedas, they are not for me. They will apply. Person who doesn't have Kartritva, that person, Vedas will not stop him anymore. See, the quotations are given. Yatra va anyadiva syat, tatra anyo anyat pashyet, iti hi vakshyati. Later, in Brahadaranyaka itself, it will be said, yatra va anyadiva syat. What is yatra? Avidya kale. When avidya is there, then anyadiva syat, somebody else is different from me, means that bheda bhavana is real for that person. Tatra anyo anyat pashyet iti hi vakshyati. Then anyaha anyat pashyet, anya anyat shrunuyat, anya anyat jigret, vijaniyat ityadi. टीका वक्ष्यमाण वाक्यार्थम प्रकृतोपयोगित्वेन कथयति. दिस वाक्यार्थम प्रकृत उपयोगित्वेन कथयति. अनन्यत सद्वस्त्वात्माख्यम यत्र अविद्यायां सत्याम अन्यदिव स्यात् तिमिरकृत द्वितीय चंद्रवत् तत्र अविद्याकृत अनेक कारक अपेक्षम दर्शनादि कर्म तत्कृतं फलं च दर्शयति तत्र अन्यो अन्यत् पश्येत् इत्यादिना. अनन्यत सद्वस्त्वात्माख्यम. Atma is ananyat. It is sadvastu. And it is known as Atma. Atma akhya yasya. Saha atmakhyaha. Tam atmakhyam. Yatra avidyayam satyam. During the avidya, I think Atma is different from me. Others are different, forget. Atma you call or Brahma. Aparichinna Brahma is different from me. This is called avidya. Yatra avidyayam satyam anyad iva syat. So what is anyad? Atma is bhinna. I think I am not Brahma right now. This is called avidya kala. So at that time what happens? Timir krita dvitiya chandravat. Two chandramas you will see because of the timira dosha. So even otherwise, those who don't have glasses, means numbers or some certain power, and they wear some glasses which have powers or higher power, they will see two, I think. Timira krita dvitiya chandravat. Tatra avidya krita aneka karakapeksham darshanadi karma. So because of this avidya krita aneka karakas are there, and then kriya is there, its phalam will come, etc. So that is given. Avidya krita aneka karaka apeksham darshanadi karma. Karma means kriya. Tat kritam phalam cha darshayati. Kriya karaka phalam. Avidya krita kriya karaka phalam. This is called avidya karya. And tatra anyo anyat pashyad ityadina. Then anya will see anya. ऋणित्वं विदुषो न इति उक्तम्. व्यक्ति कर्तुम तस्य नास्ति कर्तृत्वादि इति अत्रापि प्रमाणम्. विदुषः ऋणित्वं न. For विदुषः ज्ञानी ऋणित्वम् is not there. इति उक्तम् व्यक्ति कर्तुम. To express that तस्य नास्ति कर्तृत्वादि इति. Jnani doesn't have kartrutva. Therefore, Jnani doesn't have Bheda Darshanam. Iti atrapi pramanam aha. Yatra punar vidyayam satyam avidyakrita anekatva brahma prahanam tatkena kam pashyet iti karma sambhavam darshayati. Yatra punar vidyayam satyam. When vidya is there, avidyakrita anekatva brahma prahanam. All avidyakrita brahma prahana, its destruction happens. Tatkena kam pashyet iti karma sambhavam darshayati. So, when a person doesn't see plurality, then what will happen? He will not see karakas separately. When he doesn't see karakas separately, then karma asambhava. That is what is given here. तत्केन कम पश्येदिति कर्म संबंध तस्माद् अविद्या विषय एव अविद्यावद विषय एव ऋणित्वम कर्म संभवात् नेतरत्र. Therefore, avidyavan alone is vishaya for ऋणित्व, for becoming a ऋणी. अविद्यावद विषय एव ऋणित्वम कर्म संभवात्. Then he can do some karma. And as part of karma, he will become free from the rina. The person who is not seeing Dvaitam, how will he do karma to become free from rina? He will not. Tika Vidyayam satyam avidyayaha tatkrita anekatva brahmasya cha prahanam yatra sampadyate tatra tasmadeva कारणात् तत्केन इत्यादिना कर्मादेहे असंभवम दर्शयति. Because कर्मादि are not possible for him. इति योजना प्रमाण सिद्धम अर्थम निगमयति. तस्मात् अविद्या विषयम ऋणित्वम इति एतत् प्रपंचयन् अविद्या सूत्रम अवतारयति. So here Vidya Sutra is over. What is the Vidya Sutra?
Atmeti eva upasita.
Atma iti eva upasita. This is Vidya Sutra. In which mantra it came?
147.
In 147. Atmeti upasita. Its description. So from 147 up to this point in 1410 is all description of Vidya Sutra. Now, Avidya Sutra will begin from here until the end of this chapter. It will continue. Avidya Vishayam Rinitvam iti etat prapanchayan Avidya Sutram avatarayati. Avidya Vishayam Rinitvam. Having said that, so now for Rini, what is going to come? Person who has a Rinam means that person has to do karma, upasana. He sees Dvaitam and he sees Dvaitam strongly. For that person, this is the sadhana. For that person has Rina. Person who doesn't see Dvaitam or doesn't have that much Satyatva Buddhi in Dvaitam, that person is eligible to move forward. Now you don't have to spend time in karma upasana. You can spend time more in Brahma Jnana. But lot of Dvaita Buddhi is there. Kartrutva, Bhoktritva is there. For that person, all karma upasana, putra prapti, ityadi, everything is said now. And then that person has to teach the putra Vedas, then he will do Shraddha karma, he will do all the rituals on behalf of father. All this description is going to come. This is all under Avidya Sutra. एतच्च उत्तरत्र व्याचिख्याशिष्यमाणैरेव वाक्यैर्विस्तरेण प्रदर्शयिष्यामः. एतच्च उत्तरत्र व्याचिख्याशिष्यमाणैः एव वाक्यैः. This portion, that avidyavad vishaya eva ऋणित्वम्, this is going to be elaborated. How? With the vyachikhyaशिष्यमाणैः वाक्यैः. Those vakyas which are going to be explained now. Within 1-4-10 only, second part. Vistarena pradarshayishyama. In detail we will show. And then after 1-4-10 also it will continue. टीका. तद ऋणित्वम् अविद्या विषयं यथा स्फुटं भवति तथा अथ यो अन्याम् इत्यादा अनंतर ग्रंथ एव कथ्यते प्रथमम् इत्यर्थः. ऋणित्वम् अविद्या विषयम्, this how it becomes so clear, यथा स्फुटं भवति तथा अथ यो अन्याम् देवताम् उपासते अन्यासौ अन्यो अहम् अस्मि इति न स वेद यथा पशु एवं स देवानाम्. This is the Avidya Sutra. This much is Avidya Sutra. अन्यो असावन्यो अहम् अस्मि इति न स वेद यथा पशुरेव स एवं स देवानाम्. यथा पशुरेवं स देवानाम्. यो अन्याम देवताम उपासते. From there it will begin. इत्यादौ अनंतर ग्रंथे एव कथ्यते. In this later part it will be said. प्रथमम् इत्यर्थः. First this will be said, then it will be continued. टीका. तदक्षराणि व्याकरोति. Before that in भाष्य तद यथा इहैव तावत्. So how this Vyakhyanam will be done? That karma is for a rini who is avidyavat. How this Vyakhyanam will start? He said this is where it will begin. Atha yaha kaschit अब्रह्मविद अन्यम अन्याम आत्मनः व्यतिरिक्तां यां कांचित देवतां उपास्ते स्तुति नमस्कार याग बलि उपहार प्रणिधान ध्यानादिना उपास्ते तस्याः गुणभावम् उपगम्य आस्ते. अथ यह कश्चित, anybody who अब्रह्मविद अज्ञानी अन्याम आत्मनः अन्याम देवताम उपास्ते. दिस इज द मूल वाक्य. अन्याम देवताम उपास्ते. अन्याम मीन्स आत्मनः व्यतिरिक्ताम यां कांचित देवताम. अदर देन आत्मा, वॉट एवर दैट देवता इज, कांचित याम कांचित, कोई भी देवता, एनी देवता यू टेक, देवता उपासते. हाउ? स्तुति नमस्कार याग बलि उपहार प्रणिधान ध्यानादिना उपासते. तस्याः. So through all these things, how generally people do upasana, they do stuti, namaskar. Bhagavan Bhashyakar knows how many ways people do upasana in those days. And here, Vaidika, a Vaidika person is taken. So, yaga, bali, upahara, etc. Tasyaha guna bhavam. Guna bhavam means dasya bhavam. He becomes a dasa. Upagamya aste. He stays as a dasa, as a sevaka. One number tippani, atha shabda. विद्या प्रकरणात् अविद्या प्रकरणस्य विभागम द्योतयितुम अथ शब्दः. वेर इज अथ शब्द?
First line in Bhashya.
अथ शब्द इज इन मंत्र which is given in Bhashya now. It is there in Athayo Anyam Devtam Upaste, that it is coming from there. टीका विद्या सूत्र आनंतर्यम अविद्या सूत्रस्य अथ शब्दार्थः. अथ शब्द, what is the meaning? विद्या सूत्र आनंतर्यम अविद्या सूत्र. यागो गंध पुष्पादिना पूजा. याग मीन्स गंध पुष्प एक्सेट्रा. बलि उपहारो नैवेद्य समर्पणम. Bali and Upahara, they are in the form of Bali. Upahara is one shabda, is a gift of Bali, it's a Naivedyam. Pranidhanam Aikagryam, to become one with that in Dhyanam. And Dhyanam further is Tatraiva Anantarita Pratyaya Pravaha Karanam. Then continuously that Devata Buddhi. So Pranidhanam is Aikagryam first, then Dhyanam. Continuous Tadakara Vritti Pravaha. I am one with that Devata. Adipadam Pradakshinadi Grahanartham. Not only that, he will do Pradakshina, etc. also. Bheda Darshanam Atra Upasanam Na Shastriyam Iti Abhipretya Etadeva Vivranoti. Bheda Darshanam Upasanam is not Shastriyam. Not Shastriyam means this is not what Shastra says that you do Bheda Darshanam. Shastra wants to say don't do Bheda Darshanam. Because you already have Bheda Buddhi, therefore Shastra says do Upasana. Somebody says, I never have Bheda Buddhi with Bhagavan, but I have Bheda Buddhi with everybody else. That is called Bheda Buddhi. With Paramatma, I have Advaita, and with everybody else, Dvaita. Then also it is Dvaita only. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.